Living Soil Garden is a market garden in the heart of Devon, right outside the city of Exeter. We are a highly productive, small-scale commercial vegetable garden with a strong focus on the regeneration of the landscape. The growing team is made up of the two of us, Flavia and Dario, plus our crazy springer, Roger. All that we do revolves around regeneration. As our name suggests, everything starts from regenerating the soil, which is where the alchemy of transforming sunlight into food happens.
Our soils have been degraded and impoverished by years of conventional agriculture, and so we need to bring them back to life. That's why we adopt principles that allow the soil to become a living, complex and dynamic environment which can sustain resilient plant life and also high quality nutrition. This involves being no-dig, which means that we keep the soil covered and disturb it as little as possible, and that allows soil life to establish great relationships with plant roots and unlock fertility for them. In a way, one could say that we are farming an entire ecosystem made mostly of soil microbes. We also refrain from using any synthetic chemicals that would poison microbes, plants, and obviously also us.
Something that strikes our visitors and customers is the amount of biodiversity in the garden. Our beds are planted with a variety of different vegetables and flowers, and the insects are everywhere. Bees, butterflies, pest predators. This diversity is not only above but also below ground. This makes the garden beautiful to be in, but it's also a great strategy to reduce pests and diseases by letting a natural balance take place.
Being regenerative to us means also being a hub for our local community. We take great care in making our produce nutritious, beautiful and tasty, because our aim is to feed local families and bring people together to taste, share and learn about vegetables and biodiversity. We also have a weekly market right in the heart of the garden with other local producers and friends.
It's amazing to see the interest around nature and food resilience at this time in history. We are passionate about sharing what we do and know in our courses, with a strong focus on empowering home growers to become as self-sufficient and independent as possible.
We like to think of Living Soil Garden as an example that can inspire more communities to come together around food production. Because we believe that true regeneration looks like this: attuning our lives with nature and its rhythms, growing our own food with family and friends, sharing skills and having fun.